Hello everybody, Mario1 here, and today we are going to be unboxing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the complete classic series collection by Paramount. And if you remember our last unboxing video, we unboxed SpongeBob, the first 100 episodes ever. And now we are unboxing Ninja Turtles, and now that I'm looking at it, the Ninja Turtles is more thicker than SpongeBob. Cowabunga! All 10 seasons of the classic TV series, 193 episodes, and over 3 hours of special features. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. And it might be a little difficult since this is a thicker case. And yeah. Oh, wait, did I make a rip? No, I didn't. Here, let me shoot. Alright, let me just. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright. Open it up and. Whoa. 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 That can't be good. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Alright, and. Hang on. Did they say Lionsgate? I thought this was by Paramount. Alright, that's a little weird, but okay. Okay, guys, there's discs on top of discs. Alright. Oh, alright, well, let's just continue on with the unboxing, and I'll save my comments for another video or later. Alright, well, right here is disc 1 to 4, and then disc 5 to 8, I guess. And then 9 to 12, 13 to 16, and 17 to 20, and 21 to 24. Is there a DVD missing? Not sure. And gee, how? Oh no, it's not. I did not like that sound. But there you go, I guess. A little strange. I might do a follow-up video for this. But anyway, there you go. There's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the complete classic series collection. Yeah, I'm gonna look up about this and see if something's going on, because if this is a Paramount release, then why does it have Lionsgate on the DVDs? I mean, I remember the old Lionsgate DVDs, but they were always out of order, and I remember the season 1 DVD had 5 episodes from season 10. Weird. But here, I'm gonna look this up. I'm gonna see what's going on. So, yeah, there you guys have it, and I'll see you in the follow-up video and other videos. All right, goodbye.